Owning a cat can be a very rewarding experience. They can bring many memories and laughter. However, there certainly isn't anything funny about the daily chore of cleaning out their litter tray. With all the technological advancements over the years, companies like PetSnowy have endeavored to create convenient, time-saving products so that families can maximize their time with their furry friends. It's clear to see the future of pet care is certainly smart and technological. And PetSnowy's new self-cleaning litter tray, well, it is no exception. This is the PetSnowy Snow Plus self-cleaning litter box. The Snow Plus handles all the dirty work for you, giving you more time to enjoy the joys of pet ownership and not the stinky chores. I have been using this for well over a month now, and it has significantly improved the way I actually care for my pets. This innovative litter box simplifies pet care, requiring no manual scooping at all. But this isn't just your ordinary electric litter box. It comes with some amazing smart features that promise to keep your home odor-free and your cats happy. And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. The Snow Plus self-cleaning cat litter box comes pre-assembled, which to be honest, it is a huge plus. No need to fumble around with complicated instructions or extra parts. Just take it out of the box, plug it in, and you're good to go. Now obviously, this is a rather large litter tray with the unit's dimensions coming in at 29.5 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and 25.6 inches in height. But with that in mind, it can accommodate a wide range of cats between 1.5 to 9 kilograms, ensuring ample comfortable space for your feline companions while they go about their business. On top of that, it caters to your cat's needs for privacy during their toilet time. It just simply enhances their sense of security and safety by shielding them from the outside elements. I have to admit, I really do like the look of the Snow Plus. This thing is made with some seriously top-notch materials, and the craftsmanship is pretty spot on. Certainly a piece of tech that looks and feels super luxurious. Now, the anti-tracking curved walkway and included walkway mat are a thoughtful addition. It helps keep litter contained within the box, so you won't find those annoying little bits scattered all over your floor. Plus, it deters dogs from messing with it, which is a bonus for multi-pet households. Thankfully, the mat is designed to be gentle on your cat's feet, ensuring both easy cleanup and comfort. It's soft, flexible, detachable, and can be washed with water, making it super convenient for maintaining and ensuring a clean and hygienic toilet space for your cat. Now, when it comes to choosing litter, PetSnowy recommends using a clumping litter. The cool thing is though, Snow Plus doesn't need any fancy or pricey litter. Opting for a cost-effective clumping option like I have can actually save you a lot of money because the Snow Plus only removes clumps, leaving the reusable litter untouched. It really is a smart way to cut down on litter expenses over time, which is pretty surprising. When using the right litter, this machine works wonders at separating these clumps and leaving behind a fresh amount of litter. Now let's first talk about something we can all appreciate: odor control. One of the standout features of the Snow Plus is its cutting-edge TiO2 photocatalyst system. Unlike traditional litter boxes that just try to cover up bad smells, the Snow Plus tackles them head-on. This is done by simply breaking down odor-causing molecules right at the source. This means your home stays fresh and clean around the clock. Thankfully, no more nasty odors lingering in the air and no more running out to buy air fresheners every other week. Inside the photocatalyst system, we have a 3-stage deodorization process that does a phenomenal job at targeting odors at the source, being able to remove 90% ammonia and 92.9% of viruses. With a built-in 24-hour UV light, we have a system that kills viruses and bacteria effectively. This supercharges the TiO2 process, providing powerful dual deodorization. There is also an insert on the front for luxury fragrance inserts like Robertet, the manufacturer of Chanel's perfumes. It may seem a bit extravagant, but it certainly helps to keep the house smelling clean. You can indeed purchase additional fragrances online, as well as many other replacement parts and accessories for the Snow Plus. This ensures that you don't have to worry when supplies run out or need to be replaced over time, as there is a wide range of options available. Let's move on to its waste management abilities. By far, another revolutionary feature is the waste auto-packing system. The waste drawer collects and neatly packs the waste, eliminating the need for a manual scooping. This drawer does have a volume of around 10 litres, which means it can go up to 14 days without needing to be emptied. But that does depend on the regularity of your cat, and obviously how many you have. However, if they are anything like mine, well, he simply doesn't stop eating, so a lot goes in the front and a fair bit comes out the back. Thanks to this gadget, the smart self-packing design allows you to monitor your cat's health without having to deal directly with the waste. The self-packing bags store the litter without sealing it, which enables you to effortlessly monitor your cat's health by simply being able to peer into the bag. It is recommended that you do this once in a while just to keep an eye on their health. When it comes to actually cleaning the litter tray, well, you really don't need to do it that often. And to be honest, you'd probably call it a deep clean. Once a month or so, the Snow Plus makes it a breeze to clean because it is a nifty magnetic assembly. You can snap it apart and put it together in seconds. It's basically like high-tech Lego. This makes your cleaning routine a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. It really isn't a dreaded task now. You really only need to use a basic soap, sponge and water, or if you're a little wary, some kind of pet cleaner. Just wipe it off with a towel. Every day, the PetSnowy Plus takes care of filtering out all the unwanted litter and keeps a clean, hygienic space for your cats. The Snow Plus isn't just for keeping things clean, it's super smart too. You can control everything from a mobile app. You can check on usage, keep tab on your cat's litter box habits, and even get health insights. It's got multi-cat ID, so if you've got more than one furry friend, you are covered. You can personalize the settings and activity tracking for each cat by setting little profiles for them for you to monitor their individual health and well-being. It's pretty darn neat. And with real-time notifications, you are kept in the loop about your cat's activities, so you will always know when they're safe and happy. It's basically like having a high-tech assistant for your cat. And with my cat's growingly high expectations, well, it's something I find myself having to do a lot more often. The app interface is rather user-friendly, offering up a simple guided UI. Each day I'm able to go into the app and see a detailed report of all the visits my cat has made, along with their duration inside. This toilet record can go back months in graph form. You can look at your cat's litter box usage over time to spot any potential health problems or significant changes in usage early on. The notifications give you an insight to your cat's behavior, like if they're spending excessive time in the box, as this might actually indicate an underlying health problem. It's just something we wouldn't have noticed before this, so it is very reassuring. In the app, we also have the ability to go into the smart settings. Here you can customize everything to fit your daily routine. Whether it's scheduling cleaning, setting up deodorizing sessions, or adjusting cleaning times, you can really tailor this unit to work seamlessly around your schedule. PetSnowy has really made an aim here to make life easier for you. Safety is an absolute key with the Snow Plus. It's equipped with a comprehensive 7-stage protection system that covers everything from anti-clamp features to high-precision sensors and a safe walkway. If the sensors detect that your cat's inside or even on the box, it automatically pauses any cleaning processes to ensure their safety. During the cleaning, your cat only has to access the walkway, and to be honest, there are no cleaning mechanisms or moving parts exposed here, so your cat is very safe. One thing that I found truly surprising about this litter tray is just how quiet it operates. The maximum noise level is just 53 decibels, so it's incredibly quiet. Your cats won't be startled by loud noises, creating a stress-free environment for them to use. Take a listen to this. Now, all in all, the Snow Plus self-cleaning cat litter box is truly revolutionary for us cat owners. It takes all the stress away of keeping up with the litter box, keeping our home smelling clean, and includes so many clever features to monitor our cat's well-being. Personally, I think you can't really put a price on that. If you are after a cleaner, more convenient and odor-free solution, the Snow Plus self-cleaning litter tray is absolutely worth checking out. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.